Euro Motors. Ang brand na ito ay in-establish ni Mitsukoshi Motor Philippines noong 2006, na which is a motorcycle brand na nagsimula pa noong 1997 sa pag-distribute ng mga high quality at affordable na mga motorsiklo mula Taiwan na ina-assemble naman dito sa atin sa Pinas. Ilang dekada na din sila sa motorcycle industry, kaya naman hindi natin maikakailan na may ibubugat talaga ang mga brand na ito sa merkado. And that's a fact. Ngayon, meron naman silang isang motor na sobrang pinagkakaguluhan talaga ng mga kababayan natin. Bakit naman kaya? Well, let's all find out. B-Boy LMD here and you guys still watching Respeto Agulong? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Euromotor Samurai 155i version 2. Sa unang tingin ay very evident yung significance niya towards other brands. It's pretty obvious, but objectively speaking ay very attractive talaga yung looks niya all throughout. No doubt. Mula sa kaliwa, sa kanan, sa likod at harapan, bago tayo magsimula wala bang paalakpakan dyan? Yeah, boy! Si Samurai 155i version 2 ay naka full LED na para sa kanyang lighting system. Mula sa very aggressive itong headlight na kung saan naka-integrate ang kanyang daytime running light at turn signals hanggang sa taillight ito na ibang klase din yung datingan. Sexy ng puwitan eh. I mean, the taillight. Meron itong very noticeable na digital gauge, basic switches, USB charging port, dalawang side pockets, utility hook, gulay board at nakakilis na din siya para sa kanyang ignition. Ayos! Naka-silent starting na din pala itong si Samurai, something na nagiging trend sa mga bagong labas sa scooter ngayon. Meron na din siyang stop and start system which makes it more efficient when it comes to energy and fuel. It is also equipped with a side stand kill switch for our safety bago umandar. And despite of its being keyless, meron ka pa din namang option to use a conventional key just in any case na mas prefer mo gumamit ng susi. And in the event na malobat ang iyong remote key, you still have your spare key at least. And in addition to that, it also has a built-in alarm and answer back system. Very smart! Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy, I just want to give a shoutout to Biker Daddy Timberland 6770 at kay Lau Bert aka Robert Laurio para sa malulupit nating pitik. And there you have it. This is the Euro Samurai 155i version 2. Anong kulay ito? Anong kulay ito lang? Matte blue. So what we have here is the matte blue variant. Grabe, napaka-solid. Just look at it. And this is our smart key remote. Let's take a ride. And big shoutout kay Paring Long, you know, for lending us his Samurai 155i. Alright, let's check this one out. Press natin to. Umilaw, then pihit ng dalawa. And this is our digital gauge. And sabi nila naka-silent start daw to. Yes sir! Si Samurai 155i version 2 ay equipped ng isang liquid-cooled 150cc single-cylinder na makina, 4-stroke, 2-valve single overhead cam, fuel-injected, at kung kita mo to, automatic. Meron itong maximum power na 14.5 HP at 8,500 RPM at may maximum torque naman na 14 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Alright, so sa sitting position natin as a 5'4", very comfortable. We get an upright riding position. Una ko napansin dito is yung kanyang throttle response na very responsive. Usually kasi kapag mga naka-automatic tayo, diba, may konting delay ng bahagya yung arangkada. But dito, this is EFI. I was amazed na maganda yung kanyang power delivery. Grabe, ang gaan niya lang dalhin. Sumusunod siya kung saan mo siya gustong dalhin. Alam mo yun, just look where you're going and you're good to go. So ito yung mga gusto kong klase ng arangkada, especially during traffic situation, mga stop and go situation na kailangan mong maka-overtake on a timely manner. Talagang maibibigay niya. Makakalusot ka kahit saan mo gusto on a timely manner. Napaka-importante ng timing. Given na 2 valves lang ang makina na Samurai, very impressive talaga ang mga numbers na yan, especially in comparison sa mga counterparts niya. You'll be surprised. Very evident yung smoothness ng arangkada ni Samurai, then pagdating naman sa mid-range dun mas lalong lumalabas yung tinatago niyang katas. Lakas. Aside pa sa sharpness ng disenyo ng mga fairing sa Samurai 155i, isa pa sa nakadagdag ng kanyang look sa iyang malapit na mga gulong nito. It is equipped with Cordial tubeless tires 14 inches, 100/80 sa harap habang 120/70 naman sa likod. Conventional telescopic fork para sa front suspension, single shock sa rear, naka-disc brake na ito harap-likod with 2-piston caliper and equipped with CBS or combi brake system. Solid! Check lang natin yung gauge niya. So meron tayo ditong dalawang touch screen or soft touch na button. So ito yung gauge natin. This is our odometer, the RPM indicator, and this is our speedometer, and our clock, battery indicator, yeah, fuel gauge, and all of the information that we need. And we also have a stop and start system, electric starter. This is the switch of our headlight, and this is our turn signals, very basic, and high-low beam, and we got a fast light or a flasher. We also have a USB charging port right here. We have a side pocket right here, medyo mababaw, and we have a deeper side pocket right here. And this is our horn. And yun, sa kanyang suspension, pansin ko maganda yung play ng kanyang front suspension. Sa rear suspension naman niya, sa totoo lang, medyo stiff siya ng konti, pero hindi siya kasing stiff ng mga ibang underbone or scooter na na-experience ko. Pansin ko dito sa kanyang rear suspension is may mas ilalambot pa to, or mas may iba-bounce pa siya, especially siguro kung meron tayong OBR or meron tayong kargang mabigat dito sa bandang rear side natin. So dun sa mga minimal na lubak is okay naman siya. So kung hindi naman kayo masyadong maselan when it comes to suspension, diba, you could just leave it as it is. Pero kung gusto nyo na much better na suspension, well, you can always have them replaced. Sa legroom naman natin sa kanyang floorboard, ito, very spacious. Kahit hindi ganun kalakihan tong scooter na to, is it doesn't feels like you are riding on a small scooter, diba? Very comfortable, nakakakilos tayo na maayos, nakakaupo tayo na maayos, and pwede to sa pang-araw-araw na biyahe, no doubt.
Si Samurai 155i ay very accessible para sa mga average height nating mga Pilipino. Seat height niya is 775mm lang, so kahit below 5'4" pa ang height mo, for sure na kayang-kaya mong masakyan tong scooter na to. And speaking of seat, very commendable din yung upholstery nila dito. Just look at it. That is just way better than the usual seat na nakikita ko sa ganitong segment. Good job! Hindi rin siya ganun kabigatan para sa dry weight niya na 108 kilograms. May malaking tangke na 6.5 liters lang naman at matipid na din sa gas. Syempre, FI with a roughly around 40 kilometers per liter more or less, very efficient na yan, and you can even make it better depende sa riding habits mo. Napakasulit!
This scooter is very impressive. Grabe, maliksi, ang daling pasunurin, napaka basic lang naman ang konsepto niya. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko, despite of the power that this scooter can give, despite na sobrang liksi niya, hindi naman napag-iwanan ang kanyang braking system. Grabe, isa yun sa nagustuhan ko dito. Naka dual piston caliper tayo, both front and rear, and single disc both front and rear din. And maganda rin siya pang trail braking. Grabe, nice. Diba, kahit naka front brake lang tayo during corners and pababa, yakang-yaka yung trail braking. Grabe, solid. And another thing is naka combi brake system nga pala to. So para sa mga kagulong natin na alam mo yun, madalas magbabad sa rear brake, this scooter would definitely help you when it comes to braking. Okay, testing natin yung combi brake. Damn! Solid! kph. Grabe, ang stable niya kahit naka one hand tayo nagbe-brake. Kaya sige natin yung front brake. 90. Hey! Sarap. In fairness, di pa naglalaki yung brake niya. Front brake alone 85. Damn. Syempre kung meron kang motor na malakas yung arangkada, mabilis sumibad, dapat meron ka ding magandang braking system for safety purposes. So yun nga, kung ikaw ay mahilig mag rear brake alone, pag naka-combi brake ka, damn, ayun, nag-lock siya ng konti, but still stable pa rin tayo. But good thing na this scooter does have a combi brake system, so natulungan din tayo ng front brake for a better stability during emergency braking. Grabe. Ang sarap ng braking niya. Gusto ko lang din i-emphasize talaga yung braking kasi isa yun sa magsasalba talaga ng buhay natin during uncertain situation. Madaling pumiga, di ba? Madaling magpatakbo ng mabilis, especially kung malakas yung motor mo. But ang question is, kaya ba nating tumigil or magbawas ng bilis or mag full stop on a timely manner, di ba? Napaka-importante nun.
Sa panahon ngayon medyo mahirap talaga makapili ng ideal na motor dahil din sa napakaraming pagpipilian mula sa mga iba't ibang brands, and despite sa mga upgrades and innovations sa ginagawa ng mga manufacturers still you can't have it all on one particular motorcycle. But at least we have the option to choose kung alin sa mga choices na ito ang maswak sa preference natin. Malay mo, si Samurai 155i na pala talaga ang motor na para sa'yo. Ano sa tingin mo? Just imagine in less than 90k magkakaroon ka na ng isang 150cc scooter na may napaka-sporty na disenyo, modern looking, power and fuel efficient, shorter rider friendly, high quality and budget friendly at the same time. Di ka natalo dito, diba? Ang SRP ni Samurai 155i version 2 ay 88,900 pesos only. Yes, you heard it right. 88,900 pesos lang yung price point niya, pero makikita mo pa din sa kanya yung mga features na meron sa mga mas mahal na units. Ayos, diba? And if you think having a 2-valve engine for the Samurai is an issue, well, if you're willing to spend additional 28,000 pesos or so just to get a 4-valve engine with other brand, then why not, diba? It's your choice. But try to think of the competitive advantages of Samurai 155i against other scooters. Horsepower and torque output, disc brake harap likod with CBS, keyless ignition system, full LED, matipid na sa gas at may malaking fuel tank. And again, for only 88,900 pesos, well, sulit na sulit talaga ang pera mo dito kay Samurai 155i version 2. Ngayon, kung may issues kayo sa reliability ni Euro Motors, kindly revert back to its history. They won't stay that long on this industry for no reason. And huwag kayo masyado magpapaniwala sa mga hearsay ng iba na wala namang alam at first-hand experience kay Euro Motors. Iwas tayo sa chismis. Laging tandaan na nasa tamang pag-aalaga pa din na kasalalay ang itatagal ng motor natin. Alam nyo na yan. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang pinakamahaba kong tropa na si Paring Long, aka John Ray Delfin, for lending me his Samurai 155i version 2 for that long. Shoutout to Shout Style Manila. Special thanks to Premium Gears for our air-cooled riding jersey and to Mukem Helmets for our very awesome moto vlogging helmet. Make sure to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. B-Boy LMD here, and you guys still watching Respeto Agulong. This is the Euromotor Samurai 155i version 2.
Grabe. This is such a very exciting scooter, highly recommended. Power wise, riding comfort, and braking wise, grabe. Big thumbs up dito kay Euromotor Samurai 155 version 2. Grabe ang haba ng pangalan.